Hello students, welcome to Maths Online Academy by Sandhya, myself Sandhya. And today's exercise is from chapter 4, Quadratic Equations, exercise 4.2. See, exercise 4.2. Okay, exercise 4.2 na? See the first question. Find the roots of the following quadratic equations by factorization. In this session, we discussed factorization of the quadratic equations. Okay? See the first question. Find the roots of the equation by factorization. Minus 3x minus 10 equal to 0. This is the first question. Already we did in examples how to do the factorization. See, take the first coefficient of the x square. What is the coefficient of x square? 1. Okay, and constant is minus 10. So, our product is minus 10. Do the minus 10 factors. And after factorization, we will get minus 3 is our aim. If you take 10 factors, 1 tens. Okay. If you add these two, you get the 11. If you subtract, you get the 9. Our answer is 3. Na? So our middle of the x coefficient is 3. So this is not possible. And 1, 2, 5. Yes, not 2, 5 are the factors of 10. Na? And we want the minus 10. Minus 10 means you take for minus 2 and 5. Minus 2 into 5 means 10. Minus 10. And one more is, if you add these two, minus 2x plus 5x means you get the plus 3x. But here is the minus 3x. So this is not correct. So you change the signs. Coefficient number is same, but signs are different. So change here. Here 2, here minus 5. So minus into minus, plus into minus minus, 2 into 5, 10, minus 10. Minus 10 and 2x minus 3x means minus 3x. Okay, x coefficient is minus 3. These are the correct for our factorization method. So these are the two wrong. Take x square plus 2x minus 5x minus 10 equal to 0. Yes, these are the rough notes. That implies x square. You take the x common here, x plus 2, and again in this what do you get the common? 5 minus 5. Minus y minus 5 means we want here plus. If you take minus, you get the plus. Na? That's why we are taking minus 5. X and plus 5 to the 10. Yes. Why we are taking minus 5 means if you take minus 5, again you get the x. Okay. And minus into plus minus. And 5 to the 10. We want to get here and here both same common words. If you take both, these two are common, na? So you take the common x plus 2, and here is the what is the remaining number? Number means here x. Here is the minus 5 equal to 0. Both are equal to 0 means x plus 2 equal to 0 or x minus 5 equal to 0. So x equal to minus 2 or x equal to 5. Therefore, minus 2, 5 are here what we call not solutions, roots. Roots of x square minus 3x minus 10 equal to 0. This is the solution. Here for the quadratic equation we call roots. For quadratic polynomial we call the same these are the here roots. There in the quadratic polynomial those are called zeros of the polynomial. That word is different but solutions are same. Okay. Next question. 2x square plus x minus 6. Second one. 2x square plus x minus 6 equal to 0. Okay. Again take 2 into minus 6 means minus 12. For 12 factors, we get the 1 into 12 and 2 into 6, 3 into 4. Yes, na? These are the factors. But we want the plus 1 is the, if you add or subtract to the factors, we want to get the plus 1. Plus 1 means in which case it is possible in these two. If you take, and here is the minus. If you take minus 3x plus 4x, 4 minus 3, you get the plus 1. We want here plus 1 and minus sign is the 8. If you take 3 side minus 3 into 4 means minus 12. These two are wrong. This is the correct. Okay. 2x square minus 3x plus 4x minus 6 equal to 0. In these two, what do you take common? X only, na? 2x minus 3. And in this, you take 2 common. 2x minus 3. When do you take the common? Na? These two are same. Take this one is the common. 2x minus 3 into x plus 2 equal to 0. So, 2x minus 3 equal to 0 or x plus 2 equal to 0. So, that implies 2x equal to 3, x equal to 3 by 2. Okay. R. And x equal to minus 2. Therefore, 3 by 2 comma minus 2 are roots of 2x square plus x minus 6 equal to 0. Okay. See next one. Third question. See the third question. Same process, but here numbers are in the root. Okay. Already we solved in one example like this. Same method. Question is different. See, in question example 5. Look at the question example 5 and in exercise 4.2, first question, third one. Take the third one. Third one. What is the question? Root 2 x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. This is the question. Do factorization. When you do the factorization, take the what are the quotients of x square? Quotients of x square are root 2. Take that side. We solve the question. Yes. Take root 2 into what? 5 root 2. Root 2 we get the what? Root 2 into root 2? 2. Root 2 into root 2 equal to root 2 whole square. Square root cancel, you get the 2. So, 2 into 5. 2 into 5 means 10. For 10 factors, 1 into 10, 2 into 5. Yes. And we want 7 is the, if you if you add or subtract, we want 7. If you add these two, na, you get the 7. So our factors are 2 or 5. No, you no need to add the signs. Why means directly we are getting 2x plus 5x is 7x. No? With root 2x square plus 2x plus 7x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. Okay. Here what do you take the common? Sorry. Here 5 na? Sorry. 5 2 na? You can write root 2 x square. For 2 you can write root 2 into root 2 na? If you write the root 2 into root 2 means you can take the root 2x common. If you don't write the root 2 na, you take the only 2 is the common. Like our convenient, we are taking 2 is root 2 into root 2. Plus 5 also you can write root 5 into root 5 x plus 5 root 2. Okay. For convenient only we are writing. Here take the common root 2 x. Here is the x is the common plus here plus root 2. And again you can take root 5 is the common. Yes, root 5 na? If you take root 5 common, what do you get here? Why do you write the root 5? Wow, sorry. No need to take the root 5 na? Here already 5. I thought this is the root 2. But no need to write 5x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. You directly take 5 is the common. Why do we take root 5? 5, if you take 5, x plus, what is the remaining word? Root 2 equal to 0. See, here we did root 2 na? We thought again we have to common root 5, that's why we did. But that is the wrong. So we no need to form root 5 into root 5. Why means here we don't have a root 5 na? Here we have root 2. Okay. Now directly you can take 5 is the common, x plus root 2. And next x plus root 2. Okay, this is the common. And what is the remaining here? Root 2 x plus here is the 5 equal to 0. So x plus root 2 equal to 0 or root 2x plus root 5 equal to 0. So finally x equal to minus root 2 or root 2x na? You take minus root 5, it will go that side means minus, and x equal to minus root 5 by root 2. So x equal to minus of root 5 by 2. Okay. Therefore minus root 2 comma minus root 5 by 2 are roots of what? Root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. Okay, this is the solution. And next one, 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 equal to 0. Okay, take the LCM. Why we are taking LCM means 2 into 1 by 4. But it will go decimal points. Now it is difficult. So that's why we are taking LCM. If you take LCM 8, 16x square minus 8x plus 1 equal to 0. So 16x square minus 8x plus 1 equal to 0. So 16 into 1. For 16, what are the factors? 2 into 8, 16. But we want here 8. 8 means one more thing is what? See? 1 into 16. And another factors are what? 1, 3, 2, 3 the 4, 4 the. Yes? 4 4 the, we get the 8. 4 4 the 16 and we want the minus 8 na. So both want to get the sign minus. 16x square minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. So you take here 4x, we get the common na, 4x minus 1, you take minus 1 here common, 4x minus 1 equal to 0. In this is the common, 4x minus 1 equal to 4x minus 1 equal to 0. So 4x minus 1 equal to 0 or 4x minus 1 equal to 0. So x equal to 1 by 4. You take that side plus 1. Okay, now see, x equal to 1, x equal to 1 by 4. Therefore, 1 by 4 comma 1 by 4 are roots of what? 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 equal to 0. This is the solution. See, last question, last one. Here na one simple one. If you first you take the coefficients of x square and constant one, multiply those two. After multiplying you get the one number. When you factorize that number, we have to get the coefficient of the x, that is plus or minus whatever it is based on the factorization. Now this is the fifth one, that is fourth one. This is the fifth one. 100x square minus 20x plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, let's take coefficient of x square is 100 into 1 is 1. So for 100 we want 20x. So 20x means how do we get? First 2 into 50, it is not possible, and 3 tables is not okay. For 4 table, 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 25, 4 not possible, and one more is 5 table, 5 2s are 20. No, here also we are not getting. So how can we get? See, do the just normal 2 5s are 225 and 5 5s are 20. And when do we get? We want minus 20. Minus 20 means 2 2s are 4 25. We get the different one. How do we get? We want 20 na? 20 means if you do 10 table, 10 1 the 10. See, up to 5 we solved, but 10 table we forgot. 10 into 10 100, and 10 plus 10 20, and here we want minus. So minus into minus plus, and minus 20 minus 10 minus 10 minus 20. Okay, so this is the 100x square minus 10x plus 1 equal to 0. So here take 10x common. So 10x minus 1 take 10x minus 1 equal to 0. Here again 10x minus 1 and 10x minus 1 equal to 0. So 10x minus 1 equal to 0 or 10x minus 1 equal to 0. So 10x equal to 1, x equal to 1 by 10. Yes, here also same. 10x equal to 1, x equal to 1 by 10. Therefore, by 10 comma 1 by 10 are roots of 100x square minus 20x plus 1 equal to 0. So this is the solution. See, next one. First question is finished. See the second question. Solve the problems given in example 1. See the example 1 question. Example 1. Represent the following situations mathematically. Here we solve the only representation, but here we want the factorization also. So John and Jivanti together have 45 marbles. Read the question, ma. John and Jivanti have together. First one. Together have marbles 45. Both of them lost 5 marbles each, and the product of the number of marbles they now have is 124. We would like to find out how many marbles they had to start with. Okay, individually we don't know how many they have. So, for example, let the number of marbles John has equal to x marbles. Here we are assuming the number of marbles of John equal to x marbles. And here one clue is there. John and Jivanti together have 45 marbles means John has x means Jivanti has 45 minus x, na? So the number of marbles Jivanti na, her name is Jivanti has equal to 45 minus x, na? Both together has 45 means individually John has x means Jivanti has 45 minus x. Okay? And both of them lost 5 marbles. After both losing 5 marbles each. After losing 5 marbles each, the product of the number of marbles they now has is 124. So, after losing 5 marbles, the number of marbles John has equal to what? The number of marbles John has after 5 means x minus 5, na? And the number of marbles Jivanti has equal to what? 45 minus x and minus 5. After losing 5 marbles means this much of marbles Jivanti has. Again she is losing 5 marbles means minus 5. So 40 minus x. Okay. the product of the number of marbles they now have is 124. So the product of, in this theory questions na, one by one you read the question and convert into equation, you get the one quadratic equation. When do you convert the question to equation? The solving of the problem is very simple. The product of, after lossing the product of John and Jivanti's marbles equal to 124. So, therefore, given x minus 5 into 40 minus x. 40 minus x equal to 124. Okay, this is the given one clue. Multiply 40x, x into x minus x square and 200 na, 5 for the 20 and minus into minus plus 5x equal to 124. Okay, and see, you take minus x square this side, minus x square, 40x, 5x means plus 45x minus 200, you take this side 124 equal to 0. Okay, minus x square plus 45x minus 324 equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation. If you solve this one, we get the x value. X is the number of marbles John has. If you get the number of marbles means you get the Jivanti marbles also. Okay. Minus 1 into minus 324 means 324. Minus into minus plus na. Do the factors. 2 1s are 2 6s are 2 2s are. 2 8s are 2 1s are. We want 45. So 3 table. 3 2s are 3 7s are. So we want 45. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 into 27 means 39 you get. This is not possible. And how do we get 3 9s are? Yes, 3 9s are means take 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, 36 plus 9, 45. Yes, na? So you can write 36 into 9. Okay, 36 into 9 minus x square plus 36x. Here na, one simple, you take 9 this side, 36 that side. Why means if you take that side na, you can take common anyone, either 2 table, 4 table, anyone. You take the common, you get the one solution easily. That's why I am taking here plus 9x and plus 36 minus 324 equal to 0. Here take the minus x common. So x minus 9. Why we are taking minus na? It will little bit easy. X minus 9 is the good for to equate the 0 na. That's it. Again take 36 9s na, 324. So you take the 36, x minus 9 equal to 0. Why do we take 9 is this side, 36 that side means for simplifying easily. That purpose only. When you do the problem na, you think if you take 9 is that side na, it is difficult. You have to take both. We get same. If you take this side na, if you take the x common, you get the x minus 36. Again you take 9. Doing is same, but our interest, you can take this side or that side. X minus 9 and minus x plus 36 equal to 0. So x minus 9 equal to 0 or minus x plus 36 equal to 0. X equal to 9 or x equal to 36. So the number of marbles John has equal to 9 or 36. And again you take 45 minus 9 means 36. You get the 36 here. For example, you take 36 here. You get the 45 minus 36 means Jivanti has the 9 marbles. Anyway. Okay. Therefore, the number of marbles John has equal to x na, x equal to here 9, and the number of marbles Jivanti has means 45 minus 9 means 45 minus 9. 45 minus 9 means 36. Okay, anyone is either 9 or 36. Anyone is correct. Okay, next one, same method. A cottage industry produces a certain number of toys in a day. The cost of production of each toy was found to be 55 minus the number of toys produced in a day. On a particular day, the total cost of production was 750. We would like to find the same method. First of all, you have to find what is the quadratic equation. You read the question and write down. First of all, you take which any one is the x. Simply na, what we have to find, that one is the x. You have to find the production toys na. So let's take the number of toys per a day equal to x. That's all. We would like to find the number of toys produced on a day. Blindly you can take. Let the number of toys produced per day equal to, we are taking x. Simply that one is the x. The cottage industry produces a certain number of toys in a day. The cost of production of each toy was found to be 55 minus the number of toys produced in a day. Already we choose number of toys per a day is x. The production of each day. So the production of each, the cost of production produced per day is the x. So here the cost of production per day equal to what? 55 minus the number of toys produced per day. The number of toys produced per day equal to x na. 55 minus what is the value? X. This is the production of the cost of the production of the toys per a day. These two. And one more is here. The total cost of production was, on a particular day, the total cost of production was 750. Number of toys we know. The cost of toys no. If you multiply these two, we get the total cost of production. Na? Here mentioned total cost of production is 750. So given product of these two is 750. So x into 55 minus x equal to 750. By solving this, we get the one quadratic equation. If you do the factorization, we get the number of toys per a day and cost of the production of the toy per day. See that? 55x minus x square minus 750 equal to 0. Okay? Take the minus comma. minus 55x plus 750 equal to 0. Do the factorization. 2 3 is 2 2 7 is 2 5 is yes, 2 1 is 2 8 is sorry, 3 1 is 3 2 is 3 5 is, and we want the 55. Again 5 2 is 5 5 is 3 2 is 6 6 5 is 30 30 plus 25 55 na answer. And if you take up to this 30, so 30 into 25, and we want minus 55, so both are minus. Take x square minus 30x minus 25x plus 750 equal to 0. Okay, take the x common. X minus 30 minus 25 means x minus 25 into 30 na, so again 30 equal to 0. Take the common, x minus 30 into x minus 25, x minus 25 equal to 0. So that implies x minus 30 equal to 0 or x minus 25 equal to 0. X equal to 30 or x equal to 25. So the number of toys produced per day equal to 30 or 25. Okay, now the cost of production. The cost of production of toys per day equal to what? 55 minus 30 or 55 minus 25. So 55 minus 30 means 25 na? Here 25 or here 30. If you take the toys are 30 means production is 25. If you take the 25 toys means production is 30. Both are same. Okay. And next one is, and third one, find two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. See, the product sum is 27 and the product is what? One, see the question. Find two numbers whose sum is 27. Okay, sum is 27 means first one is, let the number equal to x. Here we are taking one number is x and the find two numbers sum is 27. Given sum of two numbers equal to 27. One is x means another number, another number equal to what? 27 minus x na? 27 minus x, and product is 182. Product equal to 182. Okay, means x into 27 x into 27 minus x equal to 182. Okay, this is the quadratic equation. So 27x minus x square 182. Let's take, you take these two, that's it. X square minus x square means x square minus 27x plus 182 equal to 0. Okay, na? Take the factors. See, 1 into 182, 182, 2 nines are 2 ones are 3 table not possible, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 ones are 7, 2, 7 3s are 21. So 14, 7 2s are 14, 14 into 13 is 182, and if you add these two, you get the 27 now. So x square minus 14x minus 13x plus 182 equal to 0. Okay. So take the common, x common, x minus 14 minus 13 common. So x minus 14 of 13 into 14, 182. Okay, equal to 0. Take the common, x minus 14 into x minus 13 equal to 0. So x minus 14 equal to 0 or x minus 13 equal to 0. Therefore x equal to 14, x equal to 13. So the number is either 14 or 13. If for example x equal to 14 means another number equal to 27 minus 14 means 13. So therefore the numbers are 14 comma 13 or 13 comma 14, either 13 or 14, 14 or 13, anywhere. Okay, this is that. And next one is, this is the third question. This is the third one. Okay, this is third question. And next, find two consecutive positive integers, sum of whose square is 365. See, some consecutive numbers. What is consecutive numbers? Already we discussed in one example problem. What is consecutive number? Continue numbers. 2, 3, 3, 4, 1, 2, 5, 6. The continue numbers are called consecutive numbers. Means 1, 2. These two are consecutive. 2, 3 or 3, 4 or 9, 10. Anyone. These two are consecutive. The number and the next number is called consecutive numbers. So we don't know those consecutive numbers. Fourth one, solution. Let the consecutive numbers. What we are taking, assuming. So x comma x plus 1. Yes. 2 comma 3 means 2 comma 2 plus 1. Here also same, x comma x plus 1. Sum of whose squares is 365. Sum of whose squares is 365. Sum squares. So x square plus x plus 1 whole square equal to 36 given. What? 365. 365. So x square plus 1 plus 2x equal to 365. Okay. So 2x square plus 2x. If you take this one, plus 1 minus 365 equal to 0. So 2x square plus 2x minus 364 equal to 0. And take 2 common, take the 2 common. X square plus x minus 182 minus 182 equal to 0. Let's see before the no, that is different. That constant number is same. Okay, 2 ones are 2 8s are 2 2s are. Okay, if you take 2 common, so final quadratic equation is x square plus x minus 182 equal to 0. Take the factors of 182 and final we want plus 1. So 2 9s are 2 1s are and 7 1s are 7 3s are 7 2s are 14. 14 into 13 we want plus 1. So how can you write x square plus 14x minus 13x minus 182 equal to 0 na? Yes. Take the common. Here take the common x plus 14 and minus 13 common, x plus 14 equal to 0. Okay, if you take minus 13 common, x plus 14 into 13 again 182 na? So, x plus 14 x minus 13 equal to 0. So x plus 14 equal to 0 or x minus 13 equal to 0. Therefore x equal to minus 14 or x equal to 13. X equal to minus 14 means consecutive numbers na? So x equal to minus 14 means consecutive numbers equal to minus 14 comma minus 14 plus 1. So minus 14 minus 13. And here x equal to 13 means 13 comma 13 plus 1. So 13 comma 14. This is the answer. Next one, the altitude of a right angle triangle is 7 centimeters less than its base. If the hypothesis is 13 centimeters, find the other two sides. Okay, we have to find the right angle triangle sides. Which question? Question number 5. First of all, directly what do you want to find? Directly take that is the x. If you take that one is x, by the question you can get some equations. Some clues are there na? Question number 5. Okay. Find the other two sides. Okay. The hypothesis. What is the right angle triangle? This is the right angle triangle. Okay. This is the base. This is the altitude. This is the hypotenuse. Hy. Hypotenuse is 13. And the altitude of right angle is 7 centimeters less than its base. So here let base of right angle triangle. Base of right angle triangle equal to what? X centimeters. Okay. Therefore, what? Question. The altitude of right angle triangle is, altitude is what? This is the would equal to 7 centimeters less than the base. So x minus 7. Okay. From Pythagoras theorem, what? From Pythagoras theorem. From Pythagoras theorem. From right angle triangle. Hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. Yes. What is 13? Na? 13 whole square equal to what? X square plus x minus 7 whole square. Okay. 13 square means 13 13s are 169. 169 equal to x square plus a square plus b square minus 2ab. 2 into 7, 14. 14x. Okay. This is a minus b whole square formula. A square minus b square minus 2ab. Okay. 2x square minus 14x plus 49. You take 169 that side. Get the minus 169 equal to 0. So 2x square minus 14x. So you get the minus 120 equal to 0. Na? 49 minus 169 means 120. You take the 2 common. X square minus 7x minus 60 equal to 0. So finally this is the quadratic equation. Minus 60 factors. Do factors. 2 3 is 0, 2 1 is 2 5 is and 3 5 is. Okay, do it. How do we get? We want 7x, na? 7x means 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12, 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5, 7, na? Up to here, 12. So, x square, we want minus 7. So, minus 12. Higher value is 12, na? Minus plus 5x. Y means minus, we want minus 60. So, minus 12 plus 5. Minus 60 equal to 0. So, take x common, x minus 12 plus 5 common, x minus 12 equal to 0. So, both x minus 12 into x plus 5 equal to 0. So, x minus 12 equal to 0 or x plus 5 equal to 0. Yes. So, x equal to 12 or x equal to minus 5. Anyway, altitude is 12 means, base is 12 means altitude equal to 12 minus 7. Anyway. So, if x equal to 12, altitude equal to what? 12 minus 7 means what? 5. This is the base x equal. For example, base equal to minus 5. So, altitude equal to write down here. That is not. Write down here. If x equal to 12 and x equal to minus 5, this is the base, na? So, altitude equal to 12 minus 7. 12 minus 7 means 5. Here, equal to minus 5 minus 7 means minus 12. So, 12 comma 5 are base comma altitudes. Here minus 5 comma minus 12 are the base and altitude of the right angle triangle. Okay. Next one. The cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day. It was observed on a particular day that the cost of production of each article was 3 more than the twice the number of articles. So let's what we have to find here. First of all, find the number of articles produced and the cost of each particle. So let's take first one. Sixth question. The number of articles produced a cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day. So let the number of what? Number of pottery articles. Pottery articles per day equal to X. Okay, X. It was observed that on a particular day that cost of production of each article, the cost of production of each article was 3 more means plus 3 twice the number of articles produced on that day. How many number of articles per day? X. So twice means 2x, na? 2x plus 3 more means plus 3. First of all, what do we need to find? Let's take that is the X. After that, you convert the questions into equations. Okay, and one more is there. If the total cost of production on that day was 90, total cost of production means number of articles into number of production. So each day, total cost of production on that day, each day articles are X, production is this, means if you multiply these two means each production of the particular day, we get, see, the total cost of production on that day was 90. So 90 equal to given X into 2x plus 3 equal to 90. Okay, let's get 2x square plus 3x equal to 90. 2x square plus 3x minus 90 equal to 0. Okay, take 2 into minus 90 means minus 180. Minus 180 means take 2 9s are 0 and again 3 3s are and 3 1s are. So part 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18. It is not possible. And again 2 5. 2 5 means what do you get here? 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. And we want 13. So why do we introduce in middle 3 and 5? Let's finish from 2. If you finish with 2, now we get the one series. 2 4s are 2 5s are. And again 3 1s are 3 5s are. See here, 4 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 12 3 means we get the 3, na? 2x square, and one more is plus 3. We want minus, so you take minus here, plus here. Okay, minus 12x plus 15x minus 90 equal to 0. Okay, do it here. First of all, we get some information about the question. Automatically we got the equations. Let's do it. So, take the common 2x, x minus 6 plus 15, x minus 6 equal to 0. Okay. So take x minus 6, 2x plus 15 equal to 0. So x minus 6 equal to 0 or 2x plus 15 equal to 0. So x equal to 6 or 2x equal to minus 15, x equal to minus 15 by 2. X equal to 6 na? So number of pottery articles per day is 6 and cost of production. Articles per day. Articles per day equal to 6. Cost of production. Cost of production per day equal to 2 into 6 plus 3. So 12 plus 3 means 50. These two are the answers. Okay. Exercise 4.2 is finished. Okay. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.